Hi, it's Fairy Garden Thursday, and we went shopping at Winners, and we went to Top Crop, which is a beautiful plant store, and looked at all the different plants. Hey, we are at Top Crop, and we're gonna do some flower hunting. Here we go. These pots have air plants in them, and they would make a perfect little fairy garden. Just pop a fairy in there and maybe a bunny, and that's a happy home. And this little planter I thought was very pretty too. And you could put a bench in there with the fairy sitting on it with the bunny or a kitty cat, and it would make a very cute bunny house or fairy house. And this is collaboration, and it's hosted by Grandma Sandy. And all you have to do is put hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday, and her co-hosts are Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandra Lynn, Home and Garden, and myself, Sharon Shornagel. Okay, let's get on with this video.
Garden something or others.
Oh, they're phlox. They used to grow, huh? Well, that's bee balm. Those look like nice. Yep.
2 bee balms.
Yeah. This stuff is supposed to grow good and get like really bunched up.
Oh, the salvia. Yeah, Gibraltar has a crop.
Oh, well, we can just get some from her.
Yeah, I probably could.
These are pretty too, eh? These blue ones with the ferny. Oh, Jacob's Ladder. They're supposed to grow like crazy.
Okay.
I've never seen them bloom. Unless it's a different type.
Start on this side.
Sure. Ooh.
I like this
one. What are
one.
those? I like
that's
these.
The yarrow.
Oh, that's yarrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yarrow usually just comes back every year.
I know, that's why I'm getting it. I want this one. Yeah. That one's pretty too.
I like this one. Oh, that's the yellow. I just like those leaves, but
like
it's just yellow.
Yeah, see, I like that with the
I like the color. Oh, of course not.
Thank you. Important decisions being made.
Yes, yes.
Sorry for interrupting.
It's okay.
Thank you.
What's that one?
That's, it could be any. This is red.
Yeah, I don't mind red ones. Grab two reds.
Oh, they're such nice plants.
Yeah, grab 2 reds. And then that should fill, because with the bee
Oh
balm
yeah,
and that,
it should spread really good.
and then that stuff can go in that other. Okay, but we can keep going.
These are hollyhocks? Yep. I love hollyhocks. I think they're so nice. Sometimes they don't come back.
That's pretty.
A bluebell.
Oh, are these the clown ones?
Yeah.
I love those too.
Yeah, I think they're so pretty. I have one in my bed so far.
I like these too. Mums. Put them in the ground.
Yeah, you can actually put mums at from the house, the ones that you just buy.
These are pretty too.
It's a yellow one. Chick seed, solar moon. Huh.
They're not that expensive either.
Coreopsis. Yeah, I think Coreopsis grows pretty good too, like bushes. And
Yeah, see, I like these ones.
oh, those are pretty with the little, with this type of.
And then there's this one too.
Oh, that's pretty too.
And this one's $19.99. these ones are nice.
How much are those ones? The
So-
other ones. Same?
And here's the yellow reclamation. I don't know, should I grab a couple of these?
Yeah, sure, why not?
And then I have lots.
A smart plant? Do you want a smart plant?
Excuse me, guys.
Oh,
Thank
sorry.
you so much.
Daylilies. Certainly don't need daylilies. Oh, I love these. I should get one.
Get some. I'll get it to you for your Mother's Day. Certainly starting to get an itchy.
Pink one.
Itchy eyes. These are also really like too.
Oh yeah, and these are a monk's hood. I guess I'll just get 2 pink ones. Or no, I'll just get one. Okay, here's a blue one.
Is that the lavender?
Yeah.
That I usually do.
Yeah.
Alright. This is great.
These are pretty.
Perennial of the year.
This smells really cool. Crazy blue. Must be a type of sage.
Mm-hmm. What are these ladybells? Oh, here's a pretty flower we can look at. I like black-eyed Susans too.
Rebecca's whatever. Rebecca's, they're a little different, aren't they?
Yeah, they're, I don't know. I think they call them both, don't they? Some are so much bigger than the other. These look pretty over there.
That's neon.
Are these oh yeah, these are succulents. I think it goes into a bush.
This one goes into a
I think so. Ostrich fern. Excuse my finger, but it just has to get in the picture. Height. I'm using my phone.
46
and I have
or 80.
difficulty up to get a
48 inches high.
handle
That's not
for
that
it,
big.
so I don't do that. Those are pretty. The cutest little things.
Those are pretty.
Are they cute?
They are. Yeah. Let's get
We went out of the greenhouses, and in the middle of their lot where they have their trees and bushes and stuff on display, they have this beautiful pond. There's no fish in it, but I thought it was very, very pretty. And we're outside, and while Jody was hunting around for hyacinths, I was admiring this beautiful pond. Oh, hello, Duck. Hello. You like the pond, eh? Yeah. What? Hi. Hi. Here's all your buddies. Go! Okay, here we are with our beautiful load of plants. Gonna have fun planting all this stuff. Okay, and now we're off to Winners. Well, in Winners, I found a whole bunch of different types of mushrooms. And there's some more bird baths, and I got the white one, and I love it for Mother's Day. And these mushrooms, they were pretty light. I didn't see the price, but they felt awfully light. You'd have to do something to keep them from blowing over in the wind. And I thought these little froggies sitting on a toadstool was pretty cute, and that was a cute little frog back there. And down below I noticed there were two little birdies sitting on a branch. I thought that was very, very cute. And they'd all look wonderful in fairy gardens, I think. I know in my fairy garden I have 2 mushrooms and a great big huge yellow turtle that I put in it last year. And this year, here I'm showing you a swan, Mama Brooke. There's a big swan. You'd like that. Mama Brooke is one of the YouTube channels I watch. And in this section we have many kinds of fairies. Fairies doing all kinds of different things. And I think Grandma Sandy might have that fairy. It sure looks familiar. Hers might be painted though. This one just is done like with brick. I mean with cement, concrete. That one was pretty, holding a little flower. You could make that into a little bird bath. And down below here, there were some puppy dogs with wings and kitty cats in wings. I thought they were very sweet too. And I'm doing this voiceover because they're playing music and I will get in trouble if I don't. Just do a voiceover. And there's some more fairies and elves down below. They were all very, very cute. There's a big fish. So sweet. And a plate. And there's some lights you can put in your fairy garden. There's another fairy holding a butterfly. So sweet. And I love this one's feet. It just wanted to play this little piggy. Anyhow, there's a cute bunny looking at us. And there's more over here yet. I'll tell ya. There's a cute snail with a ladybug and his eyes light up. Some more fairies. And I thought their faces were very, very sweet. Just many, many fairies to put in your fairy garden. And I met a lady here who said she's doing her first fairy garden. There was a lady with her little girl, and they were having lots of fun picking out accessories for their fairy garden. So I really like this one on the snail, this lady fairy, and so I bought that. And I thought it was wonderful, and it'll go nice in my fairy garden at home. There it is. It was around $20, and I thought that was a pretty easy buy. And hey, son, if you're watching this, thanks for the Mother's Day gift. Well, thank you very much, Grandma Sandy, for hosting this fairy garden Thursday. And her co-hosts are Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden, and myself, Sharon Shornagle. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, which will be Sunday Home Reset. Okay, bye.